Wing Chun practitioners, how's it going? Just a quick video. We're going to go quick on the full T-step. Just picking your feet up, putting the front foot behind the back foot, forming a T. You're going to follow what's on this video and do the opposite to get back to the other stance. I don't want to make it too easy for you. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
Practitioners, most importantly, you want to get your feet to fall where you want them to fall and not where they fall. That being said, when you lift your feet, you want it to go back down where you want it at. Alright? Don't let it just fall, picking your feet up and then it just falling and catching yourself. You want to make sure that it goes exactly where you go. So if I say to you, I'm in a front stance and I want you to go to the right front stance, you're on guard, you're going to go front foot, foot behind the back foot, forming a T to get off of that line. And then you're going to step into the next quadrant just like that. Right?
Alright, so simple as that. It's very simple, very cut and dry. I want to make sure you get that done. Any questions, let me know. You guys can check out any videos I have on Seafood Derby at youtube.com. Thank you for joining us, man. Have a great day.